Hello students, I am Amarjit Paikrai from Odisha Adarsh Vidyalaya Sangathan, and today we are going to start a very important chapter from your 10th class mathematics syllabus, which is about the smallest polygon possible. Yes, that is triangles. And this single chapter carries around 10% weightage of your board exam. So you can understand how important this chapter is. So without wasting time, let's start the chapter. We have been learning about triangles since class 6, and every year while we promote to the next class we learn more properties of triangle, and obviously in class 10 we are going to learn some more theorems, properties and concepts regarding triangles. So before diving into the chapter, at first let's know what are we going to achieve at the end of the chapter, or what is the concept map of the chapter, so that it will be easier for us to learn this chapter in a systematic and chronological order. Okay, so let's move to the concept map. So here it is the concept map. At first we are going to learn about the similar and congruent figures, especially about the similar triangles. In the earlier classes we have studied about the congruent figures, means what are congruent figures, and especially we have learned about the congruent triangles there, and here we are going to learn about the similarities. Next we will move to basic proportionality theorem and its converse. It is the most oftenly used theorem in triangle, and even it is used in construction chapter while dividing a line segment in a particular ratio while constructing a similar triangle. When a scale factor is given and the original triangle is given, we will use that there. And here we will learn, we will see how to prove this theorem and how to apply this theorem to solve many problems regarding triangles. Next we will move to criteria for similarity of triangles. Recall in the earlier classes we have learned about the congruence of triangles, and we have learned there are some certain criteria on the basis of which two triangles can be congruent, such as the criteria were side angle side, and then we had also AAS, means angle side angle, and there was another one like RHS, or right angle hypotenuse side. And similarly we are going to learn some more criteria about two triangles so that they can be similar, and the criteria will be AAA, SSS or SAS. There will be three criteria for two triangles to be similar. Okay, next we will move to ratios of area of similar triangles. Means what is the relationship between two triangles area which are similar to each other. If the ratio of their sides is given, how to find out the ratio of their area, we will learn in this part. Next we will move to triangles formed by the perpendicular drawn from the vertex of a right triangle. When a right triangle is given and a perpendicular is drawn from the vertex to the opposite side or the hypotenuse, then two triangles are formed. So what is the relationship between the two triangles, and what is the relation of each triangle to the larger triangle, that is the right triangle? We will learn about that in this part. Next we will move to the most famous theorem, that is Pythagoras theorem and its converse. Here we in the earlier classes we had studied how to apply Pythagoras theorem, and we had also applied this theorem in many topics of mathematics, and here we will prove Pythagoras theorem, how Pythagoras theorem actually works, and then we will also apply this theorem to solve some problems about triangles. Okay, so these are the basic concepts that we are going to learn in this chapter. So let's start with the first one, that is the congruence and similar figures.